Oh, you're awake. Sorry, did I wake you? Thank goodness. I'd hate to have ruined your sleep schedule. I mean, any more than it already is. I mean, seriously. I know autumn is like the most productive season for you, and you gotta take care of all of your plants, but getting less than 5 hours of sleep a night isn't gonna boost your harvest. Sleep in a bit. I'm sure the pumpkins and squash and all your other plant babies will understand. Hmm? What do you mean? It came in through the front door. Well, yeah, I do need to be invited in to enter someone's house, but technically, you already invited me in. You remember when I was here a couple weeks ago to bring you all those old books you were asking for? So, when I was leaving, you said that I could come by any time, which is essentially giving me a free pass to come in whenever I want. I mean, you could revoke it and tell me I'm not invited in, but that would hurt my feelings and I'd cry. Rude. You know you wouldn't. You love me too much. You can say that all you want, but you know I'm the only one who can call you to watch slasher movies with you and talk about how hot they all are. You won't get rid of me. Yeah, but am I wrong, though? Exactly my point. Now get over here. I can't find anything in this kitchen. You have way too much stuff in here. Why would you keep your potion stuff in the same space as your food? That just seems dangerous. Like, what if you get it mixed up? Oh, right. I guess a lot of it is the same stuff, huh? Lots of plants. But do you at least keep the poisonous stuff separate? It can't kill me, but it can kill you. You're my friend, and I don't want you to die. Also, who else is going to help me make these fun new recipes I find? Yep, that's exactly why I'm here. So, some of the other vampires that work at the library downtown? You know, the one that's connected to the coffee shop? Yes, that's the one. Anyway, I was returning those VHS tapes to the library. By the way, they weren't haunted, which was a real letdown. And I started talking to them. They were telling me about this really good new recipe they tried, which apparently worked just as well with blood bags as it does with fresh blood. And since you know it's impossible for me to find any recipes that work with bagged blood, I just had to try it. Apparently, it's supposed to taste like a pumpkin spice latte, which I already like, so I bet it'll be amazing. Yeah, but I won't know until I try it. So where's the cinnamon and clove at? Thank you. Also, can I borrow one of your mugs to pour the blood in? Preferably the cute one with the smiling candy corn on it. Yes, that's the one. It's so adorable. I love it with my whole entire heart. I would die for each and every one of those cute little candy corn friends. Well, it's the truth, I would. You better watch out. I might just steal it when you're not looking so I can take it back to my place and cherish it forever. Fine, not tonight then, but some other time I might. Alright, hand me a spoon so I can mix this up. Look at it, it's so pretty. It's all red and orange. It looks like all the leaves. It's perfect for autumn. I see why so many vampires like it. Yeah, it makes sense. Alright, now I gotta taste test it. Okay, Alright. Yeah, this is terrible. It's bad. It's really bad. I don't even think I can finish it. Yeah, no, not a chance. That's awful. Please tell me you have some ice cream or something I can use to get this haste out of my mouth. You already bought candy? Wait, you live in the middle of the woods. Do you even get trick-or-treaters? For yourself? I knew we were friends for a reason. Sometimes you just have to get a treat for yourself. Now drag all of it out here and let's turn on those slasher movies. It's been a long night and I desperately need to get this taste out of my mouth.
Hiring? Aren't you tired of hoping the right candidate see your job posts and apply? It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's why you should try Zipper. Hiring? Aren't you tired of hoping the right candidate
Well,
see your job
the pumpkin spice blood bag may have been a bust, but at least I have you and the candy to make my night better.
Aren't you tired of hoping the right
Right. And our favorite slashers. Speaking of which, here comes one of them right now. God, I love this scene. There's nothing like a sexy villain and some candy to put me in a good mood.